Hi everyone. This is Martika, and I'd like to share with you my latest project. It's an alarm clock. It's a Hello Kitty alarm clock that I bought. It's like a shocking pink that I bought at Walmart. It was in clearance. It's really made out of plastic, but it's really cute and big, as you can see. I made this. I went ahead and painted it with gesso. Is it gesso? I don't know how to say it, but in white. And I took the inside out. I added a picture of my friend's daughter inside. She just turned 16, sweet 16, as you can see. And then I went and added flowers and tulle to the bottom and a mask. The P for her name, Patricia, and some I Am Roses flowers. I added 2 little frames that I covered with trim, glittery trim, and added pictures of the girl. And I added some more flowers on the outside. Sorry about the lighting, but I'm trying to hurry up before it gets dark. Turned it around, as you can see in the back, because I took all the mechanism out. As you can see, it was really fun to do. I will put a picture of the alarm clock, how it looked before I altered it, a still picture, and the still pictures I will add to the end of this video. If you all have any questions, feel free to let me know, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Well, I better go. It's getting dark out. The lighting is not that good. I hope this inspires you to make your own. And I will add some still pictures of the alarm clock prior to this altering, okay? Well, thank you for visiting my channel. And thank you for any comments you leave. Bye-bye.